Okay, so this is a repetition of what we did in class on interaction diagrams. And what we're going to do first is create the interaction diagram for this picture. So the book and the table are interacting, and since they're pushing on each other, it is a normal force. The table and the floor is interacting with each other, and once again they're pushing on each other, so we're going to call that a normal force. And we don't say that the book and the floor are interacting because they don't touch. All right, and so then here we know that gravity acts on things from a distance, so we're going to say that the book and the earth have an interaction called gravity. And then the table and the earth have an interaction that we call gravity. And so for right now, what we're going to do is just focus on the book. Okay, we're just going to look at the things that are interacting with the book. So I see that there's an interaction here and interaction here, so it looks like it's just two interactions. All right, so we're going to fill this table out. Okay, and make sure you fill it out with me. All right, so we have the book and the table interacting, and we see that the type is called normal. And then the feeler, what this really means is your center of focus. What are you focusing on? And we chose to focus on the book. So we're going to write the book is the feeler, and then the dealer will be the table. That's the thing that's interacting with the book. And the way we would label that, okay? So we have the type, the feeler, and then the dealer. So the force is type normal, the feeler is the book, and the dealer is the table. And the direction that the table is acting on the book, so the table is pushing the book up, we'll call that up. Right, so we did the interaction with the book and the table, and now we're going to do it with the book and the earth. So we're going to focus on the book and earth. The type of force that it's called is gravity or gravitational. The feeler, remember, it's the center of focus, so the book is still our center of focus, and the thing that's interacting with the book is the earth. So the way we would label that is it's a force of gravity on the book by the earth. And what the gravity is doing to the book is it's making it, it's having it pulled towards the center of the earth, not down. Think of it as center of the earth, but it looks like it's down to us. So what we're going to do now is go to our force diagram, which is book now. Our center of focus is the book, and it's balanced because it's not doing anything, it's just sitting there. Right, so we need to make sure our arrows, we had two arrows, we had a down arrow and an up arrow. We need to make sure that they are even. So this is a force, this is also a force. The thing that's making the book look like it's going down to us is called gravity on the book by the earth. And for here, the normal force on the book from the table is making sure the book doesn't fall down. So that is it for now.